So hello Terrace, I record my videos but it won't record properly. My second screen it record and I don't pay attention to it. I just speaking and it record my second screen where it is not seen. So you miss nothing very much. So today you as you can see my this view is going wrong. Okay, I thought somewhere it is taking support as it is the weekly pivot by mark pivot and this daily pivot. Just above we have monthly pivot and this moving average force is to go down. Then round number it has a bounce and it is a 50% marking bounce. Then same level it is taking resistance and from here it is going down. Then this swing break again we got two bounce but as it is round number force it to go down and from since here to it is consolidating. So here it is not giving much move in second half. It is just compressed. Okay, some kind of falling wedge, but it is give breakout, but the breakout is not sustained as you can see. Here we have yellow color trend line. So price is compressed, give breakout, but it again bounce and then pull back to same level. Nothing sustained here. So this view is completely fail in the bank nifty. Now in a nifty, I trade in morning, but that stop loss hit here. Okay, here I thought that it go up, but not here. It is taking resistance at this moving average. And also here we have 100-day, 15, 20-day moving average. I thought when it is faced this 200-day moving average and this level, so it is an important support and it is bounced from here. So I do ambush and play early here somewhere. But it break down this and again consolidating spend some time, then again break down this round number and here I again re-enter somewhere. So it also stop loss hit. And meanwhile, I have limited fund. As you know, last day we have lost. So I can't enter in a ATM. So I have to enter in OTM. So it is uh, uh, hit RSL very early, fast. Then we long here, but we get one spike, but it again not sustain. And then it is pulled back. And that time I buy 24,500. Then I add fund and again trying to average out this my losing position. As you can see again here it is following some kind of a falling wedge and I thought when it case is somewhere weekly pivot and this level. So whenever it is we got little bounce but again not this bounce sustain. Same as here I have this important level but it won't give any reply. Just a consolidating sideways, very dead sideways market in second half. So I have this position right now. I have 22,000 loss. This trade is a morning stop loss which we buy OTM because we don't have fund. Then I add fund and buy. Uh, uh, Still I carry out this OTM position and I thought somewhere here it is just a bounce and going to in the money. So I average out till from here to here, but it won't bounce. So let's see tomorrow what we will get. Maybe this tomorrow we have narrow CPR, and this what we are marking this profit area, risk reward area. So maybe this is the break or somewhere open here and go one way bullish momentum or somewhere open here and these things are giving support and from little bit pullback to start starting the reversal and go higher high. So let's see what we do tomorrow in opening session. I hope that it give gap up. If it is open gap down, then we have to book huge loss. So let's see what happens. So this is my just today's trade. I also would like to show you my order book, which is very bad because I ordered punch so many trades. Uh, these are almost we have closing in 40, so 10 is cancelled. So I guess 25. We have 25. I can see complete order if I no. I guess somewhere open order I don't have. Basket, GTP, okay. Okay. So there around 25 I punch order. So that's it. I simply added, so that is again bad. I have to pay more brokerage. So whatever it happens, we can see tomorrow.